Welcome to the McCall's Kitchen, everybody. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and we are here today to make some classic treats, and they're so easy, the mug cakes. I'm sure you guys have seen them everywhere. We're gonna make a kid version and an adult version, so we've got both sides covered. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. So we've got two different types of mug cakes here. We're gonna be making the classic yellow mug cake, and then we're also gonna be making an espresso mug cake. So one for the adults and one for the kids. I'm gonna start off with the classic yellow mug cake. It's really easy. We've got melted butter, we've got sugar, we've got some vanilla extract, flour, and egg, and then we've got some decoration for after. All the ingredients are gonna be listed below, and I'm gonna show you how I prep it all together, and then it's just gonna go into the microwave. So we've got a really cute summery mug here, one of my favorites. I'm gonna start off with the melted butter. I put this into the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds and it's all nice and melted now. And what I love most about this recipe is that it's so easy. You can use everything that you already have at home, and if you're craving something sweet at night, it's the perfect craving satisfier. I'm gonna add 1 egg to the butter here. Use an everyday fork to stir that together. Next to the mixture, we're going to be adding some milk, and we're also going to be adding our sugar and our vanilla extract. Recipe is adding our flour in. Our flour also has a tiny pinch of salt, and this is going to complete our mug cake. We're just going to mix this until it's smooth and ready to pop into the microwave. I think our batter is about ready to go. It looks nice and smooth. I can see the vanilla specks in there as well. We used the McCall's vanilla extract today, and this smells amazing. We're just gonna microwave this now for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, depending on your microwave, until it's firm and it's risen. So I'm gonna go pop it into the microwave now. We've got our mug cakes. So I did go ahead and I took a little bit of batter out and I colored it pink because I wanted to show you guys how you can have fun with the mug cakes. These are great for parties. You can decorate them with some fruits on top or sprinkles. And this is the one that we made that's a classic yellow mug cake. They're still a little warm, so I'm gonna let them cool down, and we're gonna prep our espresso mug cake for the adults. So I'm gonna set these aside and let's get started on that one. So we are going to start off by adding vegetable oil and an egg to our mug. I'm going to be using a clear mug for this one so we can see how nice it looks together. We're going to whisk this up and then we'll add our next ingredients. Next to our egg mixture, we're going to be adding our milk and our sugar, which is already mixed with our espresso powder because we're making an espresso cake. I kid you not, this will probably keep you awake all night long. We're gonna be adding a couple tablespoons of milk and then the powder, and lastly the flour. Recipe today, we are using espresso powder, but you can also use instant coffee if you don't have any espresso powder on hand. Now we're just going to add the self-rising flour. Already has a pinch of salt in it, and then this will be ready for the microwave. Looks like our mug cake is all ready for the microwave. I'm just gonna pop it in there for 1.30 seconds or longer if your microwave needs that time. And the next thing that I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit out of here because it's probably gonna overflow. So with this recipe, you can probably make about 2 mug cakes, which is really nice. So let's get this into there and then I'll bring the finished product out. Our espresso mug cake is done. This one fluffed up really nice. I'm so excited to decorate it and then take a bite. We've got our yellow mug cake, and then we've also got our yellow mug cake that was colored with the McCall's Natural Color Collection in the pink. So we'll decorate all three of these together and then we'll give them a try. I love how this matches the mug. Turned out so cute. And I love sprinkles, so you can never have too many sprinkles. So this is our first mug cake, and let's decorate our second one. All right. And then our last one, our espresso mug cake for the adults. I'm gonna start off with some cocoa powder on top, which I'm going to use this nice big mesh, I don't even know what you call these, strainer to dust it on top. So these are our mug cakes. We've got all three of them ready to go. Our espresso one and our two yellow mug cakes, one of them being pink. I'm so excited to take a bite. These were so easy, and honestly, they got your whole party covered from adults to kids. Perfect late night snack, or if you're just craving something sweet. I'm so excited to take a bite. Let's do that now. We really hope you enjoyed watching these mug cakes today. They smell delicious. I'm so excited to try them. They were so easy. You can honestly make them at home at any time of the day. I'm gonna take a bite of the vanilla one over here, the yellow mug cake, because this one just keeps calling my name. So let's give this a go. So light. It's really nice and fluffy. I'm sure you guys can see right here. So moist too. I'm so surprised. This tastes amazing. I would highly recommend trying this one. It's so nice and it's so light. I love the touch that the whipped cream and the crunch that the sprinkles add. I feel like nobody can hate this one. We really hope that you guys stay tuned for all the great content we have coming. Fall is right around the corner, so that means so many fall desserts coming your way. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you very soon.